Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on TradeW. And if you want to trade, first of all you need to create an account because otherwise you can't trade. So if you want to create an account, please check the link in my description because with that link you can create yourselves an account and you also support my channel. So that will be amazing. Then after that, what you're going to do right here is click on try free demo. And then he will send us automatically right here to this page. If you don't have any idea how to come right here on this page, please check the previous video of mine where I show you how to create an account on TradeWheel. Then right here we go to this chart and then we select right here the demo account. And then what we're going to do right here is, we can trade right now. You can also select the real account, but if you select real account, you will trade with real money. And I'm here just to do some more experience on trading, so I will use my demo account. If you want to put money on this demo account, select right here on the arrow, and then you have here an option where you can fund your demo account. You can do this once a day, and if you want to reset it, you can also do that once a day, because right here you see that when the demo credits is less than 10,000, there's a chance to reset the credits once a day. The minimum setting for demo credits is 50 and the maximum can be set to 20k. And then right now from here the trading starts. We are having here a TradingView chart, so that is great because TradingView has the best analysis system that you can use. So we can use this nice TradingView chart to do our research. Then right now what we're going to do is search right here for something that you want to buy. So let's search right here for Ethereum. Then we click on Ethereum and there we have it, Ethereum to US dollars. Then right now we go right here to the most right part because we have here the market order and you can decide here if you want to select market order or limit order, which type you want to buy. And then we select right here sell or buy. Then right here we can fill in the quantity in lots and then we can put a take profit on it or a stop loss. So you can decide for yourself if you want to do that. For now I'm just showing you how to buy. So now we click here on buy, do confirm and there it is. Or nice position on Ethereum. Now we want to close this trade and what you're going to do right here is you go here to the cross, click on the cross and then he's asking you if you want to close this trade. Then we click right here on confirm and boom, now we close the trade. So if you go to history, you see right here or trade on Ethereum and this is exactly how you can stop your trade. Then if you go back to the chart right here, you will see that we are having here a lot because we have also here indicators that we can add. So if you select right here indicators, we can select a nice indicator. So let's do the RSI, click on it, and then we have the RSI right here. Right mouse click on it if you want to delete it or go right here to the screen and click here on the cross. You can decide which one you want to use, but going to the cross is in my opinion quicker. But this is in a nutshell how you can trade right here on TradeWheel with your account. So please make yourselves an account and hopefully with the link in my description, that will be amazing again. Hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.